Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Android Geek. I am Sai Verma. Now in today's topic I'm going to tell you how you can watch Netflix shows and movies for free. All you have to do is there are only two steps. First, download this app called Mega. It is a cloud storage app where you can upload your files and photos, everything, and you can also keep backups in that. It is a very secure app. I have used it for more than 2 years. It is a very secure app. First, you have to sign up because I already have account, so I will log in. Now you have to create an account and log in. When you log in, it will look like this. I have already few files in it. I have few animes and few TV series. You can see my storage is almost completing 37 of 45. I have used 37 GB already. You will get 50 GB for free. Now the step 1 is completed. That's it. And now you have to open your browser and you have to search for Pahe. 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 Click on go and the website will appear. You can already see few movies are recommended here. Go to menu and search for the show or movie you want. I'll search Stranger Things. You can see Stranger Things in 480p, 720 and 1080p. It is available in all resolutions. Now I'll search for 13 Reasons Why. And here it is available in 480p and 720p. You know, all the latest series also available in this website. It is a free and genuine website. I have been using this website from more than 2 years now. What I'll do is this website provides the mega links and we have to copy that links to our mega account. I'm going to show you how you can do that. First, search for the movies. I'll search 13 Reasons Why because I want to watch it again. It is so interesting and I like this series. I need in 720p 625 resolution. You have to click MG in a red icon. After that you'll get a website. Click I am not a robot. Of course you're not a robot. You have to wait few seconds and click the generate link button. You have to be very precise while clicking because if you click somewhere else it will redirect to any other advertisements or any unnecessary tabs. Okay, and wait and click download. It will redirect to another website, and at the bottom of the website you can see a continue button. Click on it, and then you will redirect to your Mega application. You'll get two options. One is you can see the 13 reasons why folder. You will get two options. One is import and save to device. I'll click import because I want to import the Mega import into Mega account. And here the folder you can see 13 reasons why. And right now my storage is full. I have to delete few files. It is in HD quality and you can stream in Mega. No worries guys. It has amazing download speeds and streaming speed. You won't see any buffering if you have even if you have a normal internet connection. There it is. You will also get subtitles. I cannot play whole video because I will get a copyright strike. Uh, Tony. Tony looks handsome here. Tony looks Indian to me. Is he Indian? Comment down below if he is Indian or not. That is it for today. Subscribe and like the video. Subscribe the channel and like the video, guys. Thank you.